My lo-fi is just too loud. Can I
No lo-fi.
I'll send you a screenshot of does this layout look fine?
Oh yeah, let me see. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, very
Okay.
nice. Okay, I'll go to my.
Oh, I'm still streaming in I forgot to change. I needed my title was still from last night. Okay.
Hello, hello, testing. Okay, my audio's going.
Mine is
Hello,
too. We're good. Hello.
hello, everyone. Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. I'm here for another coding battle, this time with Vivian here. Vivian, can you introduce
Hi.
yourself, please?
I'm Vivian. Um, I am uh okay at coding, I guess. Um,
Do you want to tell them? Well, so in this video, when when the VOD comes out, I'm probably going to edit into a full form video, and I'm going to put in the title, I challenge a quote, a prodigy to a coding battle, because you're in like so much stuff. Do you want to tell them what stuff you're in?
okay. So I am taking 5 AP classes this year. Um,
hmm
I do math league. I do music, so musical theater, piano lessons, vocal lessons. I used to do chess. I used to be on the chess team. I do trivia, actually. That's a thing, competitive trivia. Um,
Competitive trivia.
I'm on the robotics team. And I almost did computer science league this year too, but I didn't have time.
Jesus. I was already on the robotics team and it was like overwhelming for my time. I don't see how you have time for all of this, man.
I don't either.
Mm. Wait, what's Trivia League? Like, what sort of trivia questions do you guys get?
Um, there's a lot of geography and history,
Hmm.
uh, which I am the least strong in. The science and math and pop culture ones I'm pretty good at, but
Oh, pop culture.
yeah. And there's also a lot of like classic literature, and I'm okay at some of it.
Hmm. Well, you can't be good at everything.
Unfortunately.
All right. Wait, I'm so curious. What does the CS team do? Is it like also Leetcode style?
I believe so. It's more like I haven't actually done it because again, no time,
Mm-hmm.
but it's more like problem solving type stuff. It's not in like a specific language, I don't think, because then that would be unfair to, you know. But
Mm.
it's more problem
Oh,
solving and like yeah.
that's pretty cool. So just like algorithms, but language independent.
I believe so, yeah.
Oh, very cool. Huh. I never heard of a league like that. Hmm. All right. Can you see my screen? In the beginning, we usually set up the room together. Um, as you can see, I turned off all the hard and medium questions because, you
Oh,
know,
thank God.
yeah, we usually do that. I've spent an entire stream trying to debug an easy question, so I think it's for the best if we turn them off.
Yeah.
All right. So usually we only turn on like half of the questions because our knowledge is very limited, especially mine. Uh, I
Mhm.
guess I can do the first pass and or maybe we can do it together. I can scroll down slowly and then we can check up items that we know. And if I check an item that you don't know but I know, feel free to tell me. I can uncheck it too. So
Okay.
I think I know what an array is. That's like a list.
Yeah.
Tracking. Don't know what these things are.
I don't
Binary
know.
index
I don't know.
tree. Binary search. Binary search tree, I know that. Binary tree. Please note bit manipulation. That's just very hard. Brain teaser. Wait, we actually got a bit manipulation problem last time. It was so stupid. Brain teaser, breadth first search. Actually, you know what? No brain teaser.
No brain teaser.
Counting. I know how to count. Uh,
Mhm.
depth first
You say
search. That's a
that, then you
tree
get
thing.
something like crazy about counting.
Divide and conquer. Oh, I know what a double linked list is. Enumeration. I don't know what Eulerian circuit is. Geometry, game theory. Graph. Greedy. Hash function. I know what priority queues are. I know what iterators are. Yes, I suck at math. Memorization.
Uh,
Mm.
me on the math team.
Oh, actually, do you want math? It could be
We
really
could.
funny.
It
Okay.
could be
Yes.
funny.
It could be really funny.
It's
I
okay.
think
I
I
don't
know.
know half these things just because I don't know names of things, but I'm sure I can figure it out.
Okay. Recursion. Oh, last time we got an SQL question too. That really sucked. I had to learn a whole new language on the fly.
Oh no.
But it's okay. Just lots of Googling. I think I know what a stack is. I know what sorting is. I know what strings are. I know what a tree is. Two pointers. Okay. Is there any adjustments you want to make?
Um,
I can slowly like scroll through up from the bottom.
I don't know recursion. I might just not know the name for what is.
Oh, it's when you define a function and within that function you call the function itself again.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, I can do that.
Oh, you sure?
Probably. I'll figure it
Okay.
out.
Okay.
Google is your friend.
Yeah. Yeah, you can Google, you can chat GPT, do whatever you want. Just don't look up the actual solution, of
Mm-hmm.
course.
Hash function.
Hash function. All right. What about hash table?
And then I don't know hash table either.
Okay, got you.
I should be okay.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah. I'm going off of the knowledge of 10 years of being a little kid wanting to do game design for a living.
All right. Oh yeah. I think you told me, but for people who don't know, what is your primary language for leak coding?
JavaScript.
Oh, JavaScript. I thought you
Or
said it was Java.
Java.
Oh, Java? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
I was reading JavaScript at the same time as saying Java. I
Yeah.
can't. I can't. Java.
Yeah, yeah. To be honest, I used to think JavaScript and Java were the same thing. I learned JavaScript first on Khan Academy, and it was like, oh, my AP class is in Java. I got this. I in fact did not get it.
I feel like everybody thought that JavaScript and Java were the same at some point.
Yeah, they both start with Java.
Yep.
All right, let me make the room then. Whoop. Uh, Holy shizzle, it completely reset it. God damn it. Uh, okay.
Uh,
No. All right, sorry about that. I'll try to make everything
you're all good.
fine. Holy. Mm,
Counting was yeah.
yeah, we know how to count.
I think it's gonna be really funny if later on there's a counting problem that
We don't know how to do it.
we
Okay,
don't know how to do it.
no hash problems. Treasure link list. Yes, math prob.
Oh,
Oh, I inspected it. Math problems for you. Memoization. Prefix sum. Recursion. Uh, Stacked string. String matching. Tree. 2 pointers. Okay, oh. Q. Okay, yes, we leave out hash function. Divide and conquer. Okay. Let me scroll through this one more time for you.
okay. Yeah, I think I'm good.
Okay, let's save these settings, and then I'll create a room. Okay, I'll share with you the room code,
Yeah.
and then bam. Hi Hasib Khan, how you doing? Welcome to the stream.
Hold on, I'm just gonna for a second. Oh, I OBS decided to mess up my layouts. That's great.
No, OBSY.
OBS why?
Hi
Okay, I'm
Cooney, howdy. Oh yeah, for my chat, I'm not gonna be reading chat much for this collab. I'm gonna be busy fighting for my life.
me too, don't worry.
Mm. All right. Do you want to do a countdown and then we can begin? I'll start the timer.
Yeah, I'm just gonna turn on
Hmm. Oh, actually, before we begin, do you want to like a crash course on the interface here, or are you good?
yeah. I've used Leetcode like 2 times.
So no crash course?
Um, crash course, please.
Oh, crash course. Okay. So this is the problem. Oh, if you want to, you can there's 4 randomly generated problems. You can do these in any order. Like I can click here. It'll take me to the third problem. Click here, it'll take me to the first problem. It'll save your progress every time, so you can jump around. You can press run here to run a initial set of tests. It's like 1 to 3 tests. That's usually a good indicator if your test works. And then when you submit it, that's when it actually records your score. It's possible for it to succeed on a run and then fail on a submit because the submit contains more tests. And
Gotcha. Okay.
yeah, that's basically it, I think. Yeah.
I'm gonna set up a keybind so I can quickly mute and unmute myself. I don't think I have that yet on this Discord.
Yep. All good. Oh, hi,
I should have done it
Dragon.
beforehand, but
Hello.
I forgot to warn you. I have big scuff.
What does that mean, big scuff?
There's something always wrong. I spent the first 15 minutes of a stream last week, a collab, trying to figure out how to put the PNGs on the screen.
Oh, it's okay. Sometimes scuff is very entertaining.
Yeah. The incompetence leads to better content.
Mm-hmm.
Hi. Okay.
All right. Whenever you're ready, you can do a countdown and then we can start our timers.
Okay. I'm almost there.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize you were still working on that.
No.
Mm-hmm.
I had to figure out where it was.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna Oh. That was not what I wanted to do. Hold on.
Mm. Yeah, take your
I
time.
opened up
We are not in any rush. Take your time.
I accidentally see what I did was I accidentally made my keybinds my PNG tuber toggles. Whatever, I'll just manually do it. It's okay.
Are you sure? You can totally set it up now.
I can manually do it.
Okay.
Okay. I am ready.
All right.
Do you want me to do countdown or
Yeah, countdown, please.
okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Good luck. See you later.
See ya.
Okay, I'll mute myself. Oh, hello guys. We're alone together now for this VTuber coding battle. Increasing order search tree. Oh. Okay, increasing order search tree. Given the root of a binary search tree, rearrange the tree in order. Huh? So that the leftmost node in the tree is now the root node of the tree, and every node has no left and only one right child. How the frick is this an easy problem? Jesus. Every node, wait, leftmost node in the tree is now the root of the tree? What? Wait, how? Okay, first things first, how do I find the leftmost node of the tree? Do I do recursion? Keep going left. Leftmost node in the tree is now the root of the tree and every node has no left. Wait, that doesn't make sense. I feel like they're leaving a lot of questions out. Root is this, okay. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, so 3? So 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So it's left, root, right. How the frick? left, root, right. That's the ordering. Wait, what? Can I do this recursively? Like, maybe I'll store all the nodes in a list. Shoharu says, what's the null for? Oh, I believe null is for the left. You store the node and then the left, and then it's right child, right child. So node 1 has left child null, right child 2. Yeah. Okay. Is it even possible for me to... You know what? I'm going to try something. Is it possible for me to write a recursive function to traverse it left, root, and then right? I think I can try to print out what the traversal is, and if it's like this thing, then I think I know what to do. I can store everything in a list, which isn't ideal because it takes a lot of storage, but there's no hints too. Oh, number of nodes is 1 through 100. Wait, maybe this is feasible. It will scale up nicely. Okay, I will try to do a recursive traversal from left, root, right. Kunipin says Java. Yes, Java. Okay, and then I'll try to print out the order. If it's the same as this, then we put everything in a list. And then, yeah, reassign. Wait, hold on. No left. Oh, yeah. We traverse everything left, root right, put it all in a list, which should be feasible because we're limited to number of nodes 100, right? Max number of nodes in the tree or in the list would be 100. And then we just point every single node to its next node in the list as the right child. Okay. Let's first see if left traversal works. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Tree node. Let's do DFS and pass the tree node root in. And for our DFS, we'll do private DFS. By the way, I'm gonna try to. Vivian told me that she was a pretty like beginner to medium level in Leetcode, so I'll try to match her pace. I'll try to not do it too fast. Yeah, I do it at a comfortable pace, basically. DFS, tree node, root. Yes, Java computer language. DFS tree root node. Okay, the DFS will try to iterate on the root.left first. Root.left. Oh, null case. If Shoharu. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm in a coding competition now with another VTuber, so try not to give me too many hints or any hints at all because I don't want any of us to have a, big advantage over the other. If our chat is like too supportive. Yeah. If root is equal to null, then you return. You DFS on root.left. System.out.println root.value, and then you print out DFS root.right. Okay. Let's return null for now. And let's print out what the ordering is. Yeah. Private, no return type, huh? Void DFS. DFS, oh, no return type. Okay, this is the input. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we got the right order. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay. So we know how to obtain this order now. Cool. That's really good. Now the hard part. How do we make them point to each other? We got the ordering. Okay. Again, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we do a list. We store all the nodes in a list in order, because we're capped at 100 nodes, right? So this is going to scale pretty nicely for our use case. The list will never be more than 100 elements long. So I think it's feasible. After we store all the nodes in a list, we iterate from start to end and set the left children to null, set the right children to the next node in the list. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. So in the DFS, I'll have to pass in a new list too. List nodes, list of tree node. Node list is equal to new array list. And in the DFS, we will pass in the node list. Okay, and instead of just printing out the root.value, we'll also add into the list. Comma list tree node list. So over here we will add node list.add the entire node, right? Entire node. So the root. This is really misleading, the root. It's not always the root. I just call this n, I think. Current node. Replace all of these. Very nice. Okay, let's print out sanity check, right? System.out.println. Let's print out what our list looks like now. Node list. And let's not print out this anymore. We need to pass in the node list still. All right, chat, work at a comfortable pace. Don't hurt yourself like last time. And it does not print out nicely. Very nice. No. Okay, we'll have to handle the printout ourselves. For every tree node in node list, we print out the node.value. I wonder how Vivian is doing. Like, which one is she starting on? Okay. Yes, that's the order. Very nice. Okay, now all we have to do is traverse our node list, right? Set all the left children to null, and then set our right child to what's next. Yeah, okay. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to node list. We only want to go up to the second to last one, right? Because after we point the second to last one to the last one, we're done. Unless we want to point the last one to null specifically. Oh, we might have to do that actually. Sure, we'll iterate to the last one. Less than node list dot size I plus plus. So what we will do is we'll set the left child to, well, let's get the current node first. Tree node current node is equal to node list.get I current node dot left is equal to null. Current node dot right is equal to okay. So we gotta be careful here because if we're the last element, there is no next element. So if I plus 1, the next index is less than no list dot size, is the next index in bounds. In that case, we get no list dot get I plus 1. I realize none of y'all can see that, maybe. Maybe I'll put this in a whole new line. It's still pretty messy. Here, I'll do that. And if it's out of bounds, then we return null. Okay. I'm gonna do a sanity check again, system.out.println. Oh wait, I have to keep track of the first node, don't I? Okay, so this is after the TFS. Tree node. What is the new root node? It's 1, 1. It's the first tree node in our list, right? Tree node, new root is equal to no list dot get 0. Okay, I think we have a missing test case here. So to do, what if we have no nodes, right? If root equals null, like we have nothing. Okay. So while new root is not equal to null, let's print out what our new tree looks like, yeah? System.out.println new root.value, and then new root is equal to new root.next. This is just a sanity check again. And then if this works, we can, oh, what is this? Oh, wrong syntax. Cannot findable new root.next. Right. There is no next. There's just a left and the right. Okay. We're supposed to return a tree node, are we not? Tree node, okay. Think we got it. What about this case? 157, 157. Okay, very nice. I feel like we got it. What about... I'm just working at a really comfy pace here. You know what? Sure. Let's try returning our new root. And then commenting this out. Whoop. Who knows? It might be entirely wrong. Oh. I didn't mean to submit. Well, I guess it works, guys. Shizzle. Dang. I didn't mean to submit. I meant to press run, and it just happened
I'm
to work.
shaking in my boots right now.
Yo, I'm actually as shocked as you are. I actually did not mean to press submit. I actually can't believe that worked.
Yeah,
Uh,
I took a look at that one and I said, no, I can't do that.
oh. Yeah, it's all right.
It's
Good
okay.
luck. This was a hard problem.
Good
Dude,
luck.
I actually meant to press run. I pressed submit by
I-
accident. I was like, wait, it works? My code works? All right. Which one are you on right now?
I'm doing the array one.
Partition array. Oh, okay, okay. Good luck, man. See you
Good
later.
luck. See ya.
Dang, that's never happened before. So I usually don't submit this quickly. I'm usually more careful about this. Oh well, but it works. That's all that matters. Wow. Shari says, "Are you done?" Yeah, I'm in the lead right now. I saw one problem. Yeah, I am one. We are 1-0 right now. I solved the first one. Oh, min operations to collect elements. Wait, she says she's doing the array one, right? This one? Given an array of integers r, return true if we can partition the array into 3 non-empty parts with equal sums. Man, I feel like I really need to like match your pace more. I don't want to scare off my guests by like avalanching them. Given an array of integers r, return true if we can partition the array into 3 non-empty parts. What? Return true if we can partition the array into 3 non-empty parts with equal sums. Wait, what? I understand the question. If we can partition the array into 3 non-empty parts with equal sums. Okay, for example, oh, okay, the example makes more sense. 0 plus 2 plus 1 equals -6 plus 6 minus 7 plus 9 plus 1. So all of these equal to 3, basically. Okay, okay. Wait, how the heck do we do this? It's not very intuitive to me. Is this a greedy problem? We just have 2 pointers representing, you know, our... Huh. Wait, no, that doesn't work. Wait, how the heck is she attempting this? Well, there's a hint. That's a good hint. If we have the 3 parts with the same sum, what is the sum of each? If we have the 3 parts with the same sum, what is the sum of each? The average? Wait, the total sum divided by 3? Wait, no, that's not right. If you can find the first part, can you find the second part? Okay. This one looks hard. I'm gonna try this one next. Later. You are given an array. Oh wait, is she doing this one? You are given an array nums of positive integers and an integer k. In one operation, you can remove the last element of the array and add it to your collection. Return the minimum number of collections needed to collect elements 1, 2, all the way to k. What? Okay, output is 4. K is 2. We need 1 to 2, right? After 4 operations, we collect elements 2, 4, 5, and 1 in this order. Our collection contains elements 1 and 2, hence the answer is 4. Isn't this really brute force? We can totally just brute force this. No? Huh. This seems hella brute force, no? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? Okay, I guess we can set a pointer at the end and go to the start. Oh wait, that's the question. How do you track what elements we haven't seen yet? Hash set? Yeah, hash sets maybe. So we fill up the hash set from 1 to k maybe. And then if we see a number, if the hash set contains it, we remove it. And then the first index for the hash set is empty or becomes empty. That's our solution. Yeah, okay. That index is the solution. Or no, not the index. We need to count how many indices we've traversed. Okay, yeah. So the plan is we maintain a hash set of what numbers are left, right? That we haven't seen yet. We start a pointer from the end and go to the beginning. If we see a number in the hash set, we remove it from the hash set. And the first index for the hash set becomes, oh, Shoharu says, oh, I can't understand because it's English. Marissa says, hello. Hi, Marissa. Ooh, should I try to explain it in simpler terms? Okay. Wait, do you understand the question though? I can try explaining my approach in easier terms maybe. So we're given a list of numbers, right? For every operation, we can remove one number from the end and add it to my list. Find the minimum number of operations needed to add all the way to k. Yeah. So what I'm thinking is I maintain a hash set. A hash set is like a list, basically. My own list of numbers that tracks what numbers I need to see still. For example, in the beginning of case 2, I will initialize the list with 1 and 2 because I need to see 1 and 2. So if I see 1 or 2, I will remove 1 or 2 from my memory. And the first index where my memory becomes 0, again, my memory represents what numbers I still need to see. If my memory becomes empty, then that means I've seen all the numbers I wanted to see, and I return, how many operations I've taken so far. Hopefully that makes sense. I'll start coding now. Okay. Hello, Marissa. In case you're new here, I am in a Vtuber coding battle with Vivian right now. That's her in the bottom left corner. She's streaming on her own too. Yeah, 4 random coding questions has been generated over here. We can do them in any order. Whoever solves the most in 60 minutes wins. Yeah, that's the gist. Currently, I'm the lead. I solved 1 problem so far. Yeah. Okay, let's try solving this one. So again, we need a hash set. Yeah. Marissa says, got it, thanks. Shiro says, thanks, even though I still don't fully understand. Nambate. Thank you. Arigato. Okay, let's do a hash set, right? To represent the numbers we haven't seen yet. Hash set. Wait, I'm already thinking. If the size of nums is less than k, then we already have a base case, right? We can exit immediately. If say k is 5, and the list only contains 2 numbers, then for sure we can't have a solution. Is it guaranteed to be a solution? Oh, okay, there's guaranteed to be a solution. That's not a base case. The length of nums is always greater than k. Okay. Excuse me. That's not something we can watch out for then. Okay, let's do a hash set of integer nums to c is equal to new hash set, and in nums to c, for we want to add 0 through k, no, 1 through k into our hash set to represent what numbers we want to see. Int I is equal to 1, while I is less than or equal to k, I plus plus, and nums to c dot add I. Is that how a hash set interface works? Java hash set. Yeah, it's add. Okay, add. Man, I wonder how Vivian is doing right now. Hope she's making progress. Okay, and then we start a pointer at the end of nums. So int I is equal to nums.length. No, this is a list, so nums.size minus 1. Should this be a for loop actually? Int. Yeah, maybe I can build this all into one for loop. Int I is equal to nums.size minus 1. Okay, well, I is greater than or equal to 0. Marissa says, this reminds me of school. You hear the topic for the first time, you get everything. At the same time, nothing. Yeah, coding do be like that. Let me expand my screen a little bit. Okay. Okay, should I add another conditional here? Or should I check it within the for loop? Do I minus minus, okay. So what's the current number? Int current num is equal to nums.get I. Okay, and we need to check if it's one of our numbers that we want to see. So if nums to c dot contains Shower says, but yeah, one day you will understand if you keep learning. Yeah, if you expose yourself to something long enough, surely your chances of understanding it will rise very high. I was pretty bad at Leetcode in the beginning, to be honest. Nums to c dot contains, the current num. Then you remove it. Nums to c dot remove the current num. And if so if nums to c is now empty, meaning we've seen all the numbers that we wanted to see. If nums to c dot is empty, then return, oh wait, we don't have an operation count yet. We need a way to track how many operations we've taken. Int number of operations is equal to 0. Every time we take a operation, well, every time we take a step, should it be 1? We start at the first one, so if we come here, we do one operation, right? Okay. So at the end, we increment num ops plus plus as well. Return num ops. Actually, we can, every time we get a number, num ops plus plus, that's fine. Remove from here. And then num ops, we can start from 0. Yeah. Return num ops. I feel like that's the algorithm. And then in the end, we return num ops. I feel like this would work, right? Let's see how many compilation errors we have. I'm missing a semicolon. Jesus, it worked. Holy. think it worked. I don't think I want to submit yet. I don't want to overwhelm Vivian. It's stressful to be down 2-0. I know this very well. I was down 2-0 once on Circuit Breaker. I was down 2-0 once when I fought against Circuit Breaker last battle or last battle. Do we want to wait for it to catch up first before we try some more? Let's see. I still don't understand what the meaning of operations is. Oh yeah. So here it says in one operation, you can remove the last element of the array and add it to your collection. That's one operation. Removing the last element of the array and add it to your collection. Our goal is to return the minimum number of operations needed to collect elements 1 through k. So yeah, I'm not actually removing the elements from the array because, I don't actually need to. I don't actually need to simulate this out. My goal isn't to simulate what they want me to simulate. My goal is to find out how many times I need to do this action in order to get what I want, which is 1 through k. So instead of taking out elements, I'm just looking at the elements from the back to the front. That's one operation. Yeah, every time I increment my index, Marissa says I understand nothing, probably because I misclicked on a vid I got here. Really? Do you not do coding at all? Wait, that's so cool. Wait, that's so interesting. A person who doesn't understand coding trying to watch a coding stream. Like no background in coding? Should I try to explain stuff? But yeah, another reason why I think it's good to maybe slow down is because for every problem I solve, I'll have to edit an explanation for it. I actually edit all these battles into full-length videos on my YouTube. So for every problem that we get right, nope, no coding at all. Ooh, very interesting. What is your background? Are you like still a student or you're working in another field? Shoharu says, so we take num back until k? Yeah, until, wait, well, more specifically, we take num, yes, we start from the back. Yes, we start from the back when we've seen 1 through k. When we've seen 1 through k, then we return the number of operations that we've taken. Marissa says, no, don't need to explain, it's fine. Oh, I have actually time to explain right now. Yeah, I want to make this a, enjoyable match for my opponent. I don't want to, overwhelm them with too many right answers, because I've been on the opposite side of that. I was down 2-0 once. It was not fun. It's more fun if it's a close match, There's only 23 minutes left. Should I offer some help to Vivian? It's not fun if she, go, gambate. Imagine if I'm just, sitting here and I'm thinking this is the right answer and I submit, and it turned out it's not right. Should I offer Vivian some help? 40 minutes on this problem. So it's like, Hello, just checking in. Which problem are you on? Are you still doing the second one?
I'm still doing, yeah, the same one. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you need some hints or help? I'm actually doing that one too.
Uh, I mean, my code is probably not very efficient, but for
Uh-huh.
some reason, some is not adding correctly.
Sum is not adding correctly.
Yeah.
Uh, oh wait, are you doing partition array into three parts or min
Yeah,
operations to
yeah.
collect?
I'm just
Oh,
trying to.
okay. Never
Oh, are
mind.
you
I'm
doing a
doing the
different one?
second one. Yeah, the second one is also an array problem.
Okay,
Okay, never
I
mind then.
see.
Looks like I can't
Never
help you.
mind then.
Good luck, good luck.
I gotta keep going.
Yeah, ganbatte. See ya.
See ya.
Yeah, I'd feel really bad if I if I just went up 2-0. Can we look at this one? The Fibonacci number sequence is defined as follows. Wait, hold on. Let's actually make sure that this works. Let's visually check that this actually works. Return the min operation needed to collect elements 1, 2, k. Shoharu says, if the code working, don't change it. Ha ha ha. I always do that even though it's sometimes inefficient. Oh wait, are you talking about Vivian? That's true. For Leetcode, if it works, to be honest. Yeah. Okay. Nth Fibonacci number. Okay, I'll submit the min operation to collect elements at maybe 10 minutes in. Yeah. T0 equals 0, T1 equals 1, T2 equals 1. Huh? Given n, return the value of Tn. Huh. Huh. Is this not bottom-up dynamic programming? So we start off with TO equals to 0, int, wait, T0. Int T1 is equal to 1, int T2 is equal to 1. Okay. T3 is equal to Tn plus 1 plus Tn plus 2. All right. Okay, base case is right. So if n is equal to 0, then return T0. Else if n is equal to 1, return T1. Else if n is equal to 2, return T2. Yay. Else T3. Okay. How many times do we need to iterate for this? Int I is equal to 0 while I is less than or equal to. So for T3, we only need to iterate once. You know, the adding up stuff. Yeah, okay. Wait, actually, we can just start at T3, no? Well, I is less than or equal to n. Yeah, okay. I plus plus. That's how many times we add stuff. So T3, whoop, int. So the current T is equal to Marissa says my last brain cell just died the moment I saw the coding. Yeah. I think I remember the first time I saw coding too. I understand nothing how anything works. Okay. T2, T0 plus T1 plus T2. Okay. Oh man, this is kind of messy, is it not? This is really messy. I don't like the way I name these variables. It's gonna get so confusing, but I'll roll with it. We'll roll with it. It's so poorly named. T. This is when you prepare for the next iteration, right? T2 is equal to T. T1 is equal to T2. Oh, wait. Wait, this is gonna get so confusing. Holy. uh, how the heck do we update all these? So for T4, Tn needs to be T1. Okay, okay. Let's start from the bottom, yeah. T0 is now equal to T1. Yeah, we shift everything up. Marissa says, I got to go now, but yeah, I know. But yeah, no, yeah, have a sub more, and that sub will watch your stream when it sees it in its notification. Oh, thank you so much, Marissa. I appreciate it. See ya. T1 is equal to T2. That should work. T2 is equal to T. Let's call this T3. You move everything up, right? So when you try to add T4, you're adding 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes, okay. And then you return. These variables are so poorly named. T3, -1. Hasibcon says lol. You know, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna get so confused trying to debug this. T3. Okay. Let's run this thing. Guys, it worked. It worked. I don't understand why, but it worked. Okay. I'm currently sitting on 2 potential solutions. Okay. Let's look at the one Vivian is working on. Return true if we can partition the array into 3 non-empty parts with equal sums. I genuinely actually don't know how to do this problem. Is this prefix sum? Will explain your answer later. Oh, yeah. You know, I can take some time to explain this. So Fibonacci sequence is, so you start with 0, 1, and 1. You know, your first 3 numbers. Finish your first row. You know what? I don't want to do this problem. It looks too hard. Your time. I'm already in the lead. I mean, it's fine if Vivian wins, but I don't want to like go up 3-0. It sucks to be Vivian in that scenario. Yeah, I'll try submitting stuff at 10 minutes in. So, okay. Fibonacci number. Yeah, Fibonacci number. The value of a Fibonacci number is the sum of the previous 3 Fibonacci numbers. And the base case is Fibonacci 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 1. So to get 3 in the sequence, for example, you add these and you get 2. Yeah. I can try explaining how this works. Whoa. No, go Vivian. There's only 12 minutes left. Is Vivian okay? Okay. So the first 3 Fibonacci numbers are 0, 1, and 1, right? The definition is, what's the next Fibonacci number? It's the sum of the previous 3 Fibonacci numbers. So 0 plus 1 is 2. What's the next Fibonacci number? 1 plus 1 plus 2. That's 4. What's the next Fibonacci number? 1 plus 2 plus 4. 7. So all we have to do is, track our first 3 numbers and then keep adding them together and then keep updating what our last 3 numbers is. Does that make sense? So these are hard-coded cases. If they ask for the 0 through 2nd Fibonacci number, we can automatically just return one of these. Yeah, you see. Awesome. Yeah. If they ask for the 0th, 1th, or 2th, we already have it here. So we just return it. No need to calculate it. Yeah, these variables are really badly named. This is not necessarily the 0th, 1st, or 2nd. Yeah. So for the third one, yeah, the number of times we add the numbers is equal to 3 to n, because we already have 0 to 2, right? So we only iterate from 3 to n. So the new number is equal to the previous 3 numbers added together. And then we update the last 3 numbers. Yeah. Honestly, these are really badly named variables. I wish I could name them something else, but I don't even know what else to name them. I think it's okay for this. Unless I name this like last number, second to last number, third to last number. Okay. It's almost 10 minutes. I think I'll try submitting why T3 is -1. Oh, this could be anything, to be honest. I just initialized it to a random value. This could be like this, I think. I just want access to T3 when I return it. Yeah. It doesn't matter what this is. Oh, yeah. Java expects all variables to be initialized. Equals integer dot min value. Yeah, you can set it to any value. Java just wants it to be initialized to some value when you first make the variable. That's really it. Okay, 10 minutes is up. I'll try submitting. All right. I'm for sure up 2-0. It's just temporary number. Yeah, just temporary number. I think in some languages you can just do this, right? In T3, I think in JavaScript you can just do that. In Python too, I think. Java expects you to initialize it somehow, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of just a Java thing. Partition array into 3 parts with equal sum. I actually don't know how to do this. This is the problem that she's doing. My best guess is prefix sums. But I have 8 minutes left. Shohuru says, thank you, thank you. It's very
Bro,
helpful.
I figured out what I was doing wrong and why it was sort of working. It's
Oh,
just
no way. What was
I
wrong?
kept I when I was testing, it hasn't I haven't finished it yet, but I was printing out some in the loop, and so it looked
Hmm.
really weird when I was testing.
Oh, oh, shizzle. Hey, sounds like you're on the right track then.
I
Hope you got
am.
this. Good luck,
Have
man.
fun.
There's 7 minutes left.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'll submit this one when there's 5 minutes left, in case there's stuff left. Shoro says coding is fun. Yeah, when you know what to do, it can be fun. When you don't know what to do, it's just hell. Okay, I genuinely don't know how to do this. You want to write some pseudocode? Okay. Can three parts equal sum? When you don't know, your brain cells will die. Yeah, I actually have no idea how to do this. So usually to find the length of a subarray, we do prefix sums, right? The cum sum all the way from, like, let's say I want to find the prefix sum from here to here. I take the cum sum from 0, 2, no, from 0, 1, no, from 0, 2, all the way from 0 to -7. Could I store like a list of prefix sums? List of prefix sums. And then I take literally every combination of prefix sums. I don't know though. The hint here is not helpful. We have three parts with the same sum. What is the sum of each? Yeah, how do we figure that out? It looks like there's a way to predetermine what the sum is going to be. If you can find the first part, can you find the second part? How would you even find the first part? It doesn't make sense. So, okay, here. How do I know that 0, 2, 1? How do I know that my target value for each segment is 3? That doesn't make sense to me. Hmm. Yeah, I really don't know. I'm stumped on this question. If I'm coding, if I'm lead coding on this regular stream, I would just look straight at the solutions for this one. Yeah, it says it's easy. I really don't know how to do this though. Unless you want to brute force it, for every single starting point, you have 3 pointers. Yeah, wait, no. Yeah, 3 pointers. Um, try every single starting point for the Liz. I don't know. There has to be a more efficient way to do this, not brute force. How about hard? You mean turn this from easy to hard? Yeah, honestly, some easy problems. Um, I think someone told me before, I think the easy problems are sometimes ranked based on how easy it is to understand the problem and not the actual solution. Yeah, I've actually rarely done Hasib Khan says, oh, 5 minutes left. Guesty Day says, please be a normal programmer and not a VTuber. You are making fun of yourself. Really? Oh, okay, let's time to submit this. This does work, right? Wait. Oh, okay. Submit this thing. Alright, it works. I'm up 3-0. Please be a normal programmer, not a VTuber. You're making fun of yourself. That is such an interesting comments. Hmm. Smart Coder 5 says hearts require intuitions beyond mediums. Hmm. Oh yeah, to answer what Guesty Days said, I'm actually doing VTubing right now because I don't have a job. Yeah, I'm using VTubing as a form of motivation and peer pressure to lead code every day in practice. Because, yeah, I'm not good at coding interviews. Yeah, my main issue is one, I'm not that good at lead coding, and two, I get really nervous during interviews, and it's really detrimental to my performance. Yeah, so I'm using VTubing as a form of practice to, yeah, practice under pressure. And I think it's been helping so far. Yeah. Guest these days says, if you were a gaming VTuber, I would say invest in college, but I know you're a man of culture. Oh, I already graduated. Yeah, I already graduated. I don't know how old you think I am, but I already graduated. I'm currently job searching. Yeah. If you want even more peer pressure, I have a Discord for lead coders. Let me know if you want to hop on. That sounds really interesting. You know what? Hmm. You know what? Maybe. Yeah, that's something to think about. If you guys have a VTuber models too, and you want to battle me, then yeah, I'm open to that too. As long as you have some sort of visual to represent who you are. Even a PNG tuber is okay. Hasib Khan says, Sir, all clear. Oh, cool. You send me the Discord. Smart Coders Club? Oh, it redirected me. Gasty Day says, okay, I take the part of you being a man of culture back. Wait, why? Just because I joined a Discord? Okay, there's like 30 seconds left. Ooh. Well, I guess it's 3-0. Dang, it kind of feels bad to win by this much. I think we'll go overtime, yeah? We'll help Vivian resolve whatever she needs to resolve. No, because the VTuber fight thing? Oh, why VTuber fight? That's what I'm doing right now. I'm battling, I'm doing a coding battle. Yeah.
Hey, my timer's up. I don't know.
Oh, hey, hello. Yeah,
Hello.
mine time is up too. How close are you? If you're like really close, we can do overtime.
I I don't know.
Really? Okay. Do you want to share a screen? Maybe we can figure out what you're
Yeah,
doing.
I got you. Okay.
Yeah. To be honest, I skipped that question. I thought it was too hard. I didn't even try that.
I have the logic. I just don't know if I don't think I'm implementing it right. Uh,
Yeah. Oh, let me stop sharing my screen.
yeah. Okay. Should be. Okay. So let me just the style might not be good because I was a little bit panicking. So it looks ugly.
All right. Oh,
Uh,
wait, let me share my Discord screen with my chat. Give me one moment. I'm on streamer mode. Okay, that should be fine. I think that should be good. Okay, we are looking at your Discord
okay.
now.
So
Hmm.
I I have some section sum and an index variable. Uh,
Uh, oh, your code is really small. Can you make it bigger, please?
yeah. That good? Or yeah.
Uh, I still cannot see the code.
Okay.
Oh
Um,
wait, are you streaming right now? Maybe the video will be bigger on your stream?
No, it might not be. Hold on. I don't know.
Maybe I can just straight up go to your
Multiple
Twitch.
time. Damn. Kinda small still.
Let me see if I can find you on your
I would bet my
Vivian underscore VIA.
I
Okay,
should have
got you.
enlarged it a little. That's okay.
VIA, okay.
Uh,
I can see it now. It's clear on your stream. I don't know if you made it
Okay.
bigger just recently.
I think it's a little bit bigger, but okay. So, my logic overall was if you can add all the numbers together and divide by 3, then it has the
Oh,
possibility, and it divides evenly, it has the possibility of being true. If it doesn't, then automatically it doesn't.
oh,
You can't,
I see.
right? I had a little bit
Nice,
of trouble with the sum because I was just printing it inside the loop before, and that was my bad. I switched
nice.
from a regular for loop to an enhanced one, but
Uh-huh.
uh all of this
I see what you're
has
doing.
I need I there we go. It's 3 like in this example.
Yeah.
The first section could be added to 3, but the second one couldn't.
Yeah.
So then I just repeated that a couple times trying to figure out like, okay, what do I need to change to make that work? It didn't work. Oh, and I also have been printing out the sum just because. So then if I add a second section in, it doesn't work. For some reason, this is outputting true. And then this is outputting false.
107. Huh, why is it
Yeah,
printing
'cause it
out
would be
107?
10. Yeah, because the first section would add up to 10 before it added up to 3. And then, or not, whatever the, like for this one
Oh,
works.
I see.
But this one, like, I don't know if you're following.
Not really, to be honest.
Okay.
Okay, so the first section is 10, and then the second section is 7. That's what you found?
Yeah. And they're supposed to be different, but I don't understand why it's returning true. Because section sum. Oh, wait. Hold on. If 1/3 sum is 7, then it's the last section is what determines if it returns true or false, I guess. Because if everything had to add, if each section had to add to 7, and the second section it checked was the last section, and it returns 7, then this would be true. So this had to be else if, or an
Wait.
else inside an else.
Wait, I'm kind of confused. Are you saying you only need to check the first section and the third section? Because if those work, then the second is guaranteed to have the remainder?
Would that be the case? I'm saying if it checks the first whatever the last section it checks is I guess it only would have to check the first and last section then. But whatever is the last section it checks, if that works, then it returns true no matter what. It's not keeping into account the first section. So I would have to put an else. Maybe.
Else.
Oh, that was a bad way of doing it, but right? Because then if this is false, Thanks for the follow. I can't see. Thanks for the follow. Um, because if I did an else, then if this was false, it would always return false.
Right. Yeah. If the first action is false, then it's guaranteed to can't work.
Yeah.
Wait, while section sum is less than 1/3 sum, you add the sums. Is it ever going to reach 1/3 sum though? If it's section sum less than 1/3 sum? Oh wait, it could. Yeah, okay, it could.
Yeah, because yeah. Right?
Okay, yeah, because you check it before you add the last thing, so it could. Okay.
So I guess I can run that, and then we could just see. That's just the first and seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'd have to do an if statement, maybe? I'm very good at overcomplicating everything. My brain goes too fast.
Result is equal to false. Oh, what if you said that a problem was that if the first part is false, then you're not returning false, right?
If the first
Sometimes.
part is false and the second part is true, then I'm returning true, not false, when it should return false.
If the first part is false, if the first action is false and the second is true, you're still returning true, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you do like, wait, is the function supposed to return a boolean? Like a true false? Because you can just do on line 30, if you want to return immediately false, you can just do return false. Just return immediately instead of trying other stuff.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Exit immediately. Oh no, like inside the for loop.
Or
No, sorry,
inside
not for loop. Inside the if statement. Under
Gotcha.
yeah. Yeah, so if section 1 cannot add up to 1/3 sum, then you immediately return false.
Okay. I can get rid of the result variable then in that case.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. So that I have the remains of an else.
Oh, right.
The style looks bad, but that's okay. And then this one's why is that adding to 9? Huh?
What
So 3
what's
plus 3
adding to
is
9?
6. The third my face is in front of it.
Oh yeah, I can't see your test cases.
Uh let's just Okay.
Nice. Oh,
That was there
it's
the whole
printing
time
out
too.
it's printing out 6, 9.
So it's adding the 3 and the 3 to 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then
So it's
oh
doing
wait, why is it adding 6?
6.
I
Oh,
probably should check for 1, but then wouldn't it be 11 if it was adding the 6 and the 5?
I think it's
So it's
minusing 2
doing 6, 5.
also. Is it also minusing 2?
Yeah, it must be, right? But why?
Wait, is the target number actually 3 for all sections?
No, the target number for this one is 6. See, it's here in the examples.
Huh. Okay.
Target number would be 6.
Okay. And you're trying to stop at 6, 5, huh?
Mm-hmm. And it
equals
should.
6. Huh, why is it doing that? That's so strange.
That's like it's not even just doing 6, 5. It's doing 6, 5, -2.
Yeah. What is yours? Can we see the code for your second section?
Yeah, it would be. I guess I just need to go back, face all the tabs. It's
Mm-hmm.
this.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
Section sum is equal to array index. Are you sure index is starting on the right number? 6?
index. So index should, after the first section,
Index plus plus.
am I adding one too many times? Or,
I think you're incrementing it, right? Yeah, that should be right, I think.
okay.
Or if you really want, you can print out exactly which numbers you're adding. Or,
I could. Mm, I don't,
hmm,
I don't, I guess this would be,
hmm.
this, I could just do return false too, but
Yeah.
God, that would have been so much easier. But I don't understand why it's adding the -2.
Yeah, me neither. Section sum is equal to array index, index plus plus. Wow, section sum is less than 1/3 sum. Oh, less than equal? Less than equal? Six
Less than
is
equal?
six is six will not.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, because 6 will not stop
Yeah,
at that
6 wouldn't.
condition.
Okay, well now this one's wrong. And it's still wrong.
No.
No. Huh. I didn't think equals would change that. Uh-huh.
Do you want to send me the code? Maybe I can try playing with it on my side too.
Yeah. How do I do that?
Oh, you can just copy and paste the code to me on Discord.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You don't need the, because you can just go to the problem.
Yeah. All right,
Yeah.
thank you.
Ignore the part
I'm
that's commented out. That's the third section.
okay. Yeah, I'm genuinely pretty curious how this would work too. Mm,
You see the problem though. This is what I've been stuck on for an entire hour.
yeah, I'm as confused as you are. As soon as I saw the question, I'm like, yeah, no, no, thanks. Okay.
Mhm. I had the right idea, I feel. It's just
I think you do too.
implementing.
Otherwise, I would have no other ideas how to do this. Okay.
That first one I didn't understand. Okay, there's a link in my chat.
Oh, there is.
Someone might
Mm,
be trying to help out.
oh, nice. Very kind of them.
I'm gonna hide that for a second. Check. Okay. Cool. Someone is trying to help
Mm,
out.
oh, nice.
Based. Um, okay. Cool sum. If the length, I didn't have to worry about that, I don't think, because do you want me to send you this so you
Oh,
can look at
sure.
here?
Okay. Paste bin. Wow, his is so short.
Yeah, I know, right?
Okay, so yeah, he's checking if on line 6 if it's the entire thing is divisible by 3. If it's not, return false.
Oh my god, I forgot modulus division.
Oh yeah, you can do
Oh,
that.
that would have
So,
made that simpler.
yeah. So line 8, they're finding out 1/3 of the total sum. For every number in
Mhm.
an array, total plus equals num. Okay, they're adding up all the numbers in total. Oh, if total is equal to 1/3, they're resetting total to 0, and then they continue to count. Count plus
Oh my
1.
god.
And return count. Oh, and the count is storing how many sections you have add up to 1/3. So if count is greater than or equal to 3, then return true. Okay, I see. I see what they're doing.
Yeah. I feel
Yeah,
kind
this
of
is...
stupid.
No, I swear, all of the Leetcode solutions are like this. You do something in like, I don't know, 50 lines of code, and then you see that someone did it in 1 line, you're like, oh.
Oh, don't worry. I'm at that point where we're doing AP practice problems to
Mm-hmm.
get used to the AP format. And I overcomplicate things. She has us my teacher, she has us grade our own free response. And
Yeah.
it's like, I don't know if I did this right, because my solution does not look like theirs at all, but it doesn't look wrong.
It doesn't look wrong.
It doesn't look wrong.
I mean,
So I'm just because the solution's done in like 5 lines, and mine is like 30, and it works. I test it in a compiler, and it works.
as long as it works, it should be good.
Yeah.
All right.
But
Hmm. Very pain. Do you want to go over the ones I did?
yes.
Okay, I'll share my screen.
I'm gonna put your screen on.
Go
I need to
live. I think I'm sharing my screen.
oh,
Let me know if you can see
oh,
my
oh,
page.
oh. Uh, I need to stop streaming my own.
Yeah.
Yes, I can see it. Just give me a second to bring it up for my stream.
All right.
There we go.
Okay. Yeah. So, increasing order search tree,
Mm,
you're supposed
okay.
to convert this entire tree into like just the line of this thing.
Uh-huh.
Do you know about trees and like traversals of trees?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense why you skipped it then. Um,
Uh-huh.
we're supposed to return. I feel like this is worded pretty badly. The leftmost node in the tree is not the root of the tree. Um, so they only tell you about this one. Okay, what about the rest of the ones?
Right.
Um, I think they're expecting you to like just understand this is like a certain type of traversal where it's left first and then root and then right.
Mm-hmm.
Like for example, for this, if you're on this node, you visit the second node first, 2, and then the root node, 3, and then 4, left, root, right. You basically do that for every single node. And if a node contains more nodes underneath, you recurse on it. Oh yeah, this is a recursive problem where
Okay.
the same function calls itself. So yeah, tree
Mm-hmm.
recursion. So yeah, left, you start from here, left, root, right. The left has more, so you continue left, root, right. The left has more, so left, and so you get to
Mm-hmm.
1. Yeah, it's pretty annoying. So I traversed left, root, right through the entire tree using a recursive function called DFS, I guess. And then I put everything in order in a list. And then I just connect everything in the list to its next neighbor, basically. And then this is the recursive function. It visits the left one by calling itself again on the left child. And then it processes the root, it adds it to the list, and then it calls the right child with the recursive function again. And in that way,
Okay.
you can visit every single node. Does that make sense? I don't know how good that explanation was.
Sort of, yeah.
Okay,
I feel
yeah.
like
So
I'm learning stuff.
that's good. But yeah, this function just calls itself again and again to traverse left root right, left root right, left root right. That's basically
Yeah.
what it is. And then I put everything inside of a list in that order. And then for every single node in the list from index 0 to the end, I set the left child to null and then the right child to its neighbor. Yeah.
Okay.
Um, yeah. I think that's basically it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure?
It makes sense as much as someone who knows nothing about trees can understand.
Oh, okay. Mm, oh, should I
Also,
explain what
okay, this
trees
guy
are?
in chat is such a Chad. Bro just
Yeah.
gave me the solution that I showed you for mine.
Yeah.
Said it comes with experience. I've been doing these for years, and gave me the link to the Leetcode Discord, and then left.
Wait, that guy may have been in my chat too. Is it
Smart
perhaps
Coder
the
5.
yeah, Smart Coders Club? He gave me a link to Smart Coders Club too.
Thanks, bestie.
Thank you, man. Okay.
Doing the Lord's work out here.
Okay, next problem was minimum operations to collect elements.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're given a list of elements, right? In one operation, you can remove the last element and then add it to your collection. Your goal is to return the minimum number of operations needed to collect elements 1 through k. You're given k.
Okay.
Okay, so what I did was I used a hash set to store all the elements I want to see, 1 through k. So I have a hash set, I store 1 through k in it. And then to simulate the operations, I started at the end of the list, I, and then, yeah, traverse from the end to the start. And every time I see a number that I want to see, I remove from the hash set. And then the stopping point would be if my hash set is empty, because that means I've seen all the numbers I wanted to see.
Gotcha.
And then I return the number of operations it took to get to that point. Yeah. Does that make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, nice. And then nth Fibonacci number. You guys
got
haven't
that one
learned
fast.
Thank you.
I'm like, oh my
Yeah.
god, he's already got two.
Yeah. Oh, this was a recursive problem too. Have you guys learned recursion yet? Oh, I think you said you
No,
haven't heard of. Oh,
I
okay.
have not.
Yeah, this is a wait, actually, I didn't do this a recursive way. I think you're expected to do this a recursive way. Do you know what Fibonacci numbers are?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So the value of a number for that is just the sum of the previous two numbers, right? Yeah. Fibonacci is the sum of my current value is equal to the sum of the previous three numbers. That's all the difference that is.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I track my first three numbers, which are 0, 1, 1. They give us that. And then if they ask for the 0th, 1th, or second number, I just hard code it. I already have it here. And then, yeah, depending on what number they give us, I keep adding the previous three numbers and update my last three numbers. That's really it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. That's all the questions, I believe. I generally did not know how to do this one either. The hint did not help me either. The hint was like, what is the sum of each? If you can find the first part, can you find the second part? It's like, how? How do you even find the first part? I don't understand that.
Yeah, I thought I had, like I said, I had the right logic, I feel. I just didn't know how to implement it.
Yeah,
I
it comes
say
with,
we do a rematch at the end of the school year when I have completed my AP and I know more.
I am so down for a rematch.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
hopefully, yeah, it'll be very fun to battle the, I don't know, maxed out version of yourself.
Maxed out Vivian.
Maxed out Vivian, the post APCS Vivian.
Yeah.
All right. Um, Anything else you want to discuss here?
I don't think so.
Okay. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask, you're on the robotics team, right? Is it the
I
first or FRC thing?
it's FRC.
Oh no way. That's the same one I joined, except I didn't work on the robot at all. I don't know if it's still there, but there was a 3D animation thing contest that was happening
Mhm.
yearly.
That's still yeah, that still exists.
Oh no way. What part of the like which sort of quote department are you on the robotics team?
Uh, the past 2 years I was in mechanical. I wanted to do software,
Mechanical.
but I joined right around COVID time, like right after.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
They were still rebuilding. There was like 10 people on the team.
Hmm.
Less than that actually. I was like the seventh or eighth person on the team.
Dang.
And everyone at the informational meeting wanted to do software. So I'm like, okay, I'll do mechanical. I don't want to, overpopulate. uh,
Oh,
no one ended up doing software except for one kid.
that really sucks, man. He coded the entire robot
So,
himself.
him and one of the mentors, but yeah,
Oh, the
pretty much.
mentors. All right.
So now I'm on software this year because I decided to change it up. I've done mechanical for a couple years, so why not? You
Hey,
know?
very nice. Yeah, I remember software was always like jam-packed. Like the room was crowded for software.
hmm
Uh, yeah, it's like
I mean,
surely
there's
not
only so
everyone
many
here.
people you can have, like,
Yeah,
compared to
yeah.
building where you could be working on different things.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, teamwork gets a little bit like clunky if there's too much people in
Uh-huh.
software, I guess. It's like
hmm
surely not all 20 people in the room can work on the software, right? Mm. But
No, it's
yeah,
fine. We got it.
the version control will be insane, man. But yeah,
hmm
I never actually worked on a robot. I was always on the animation team, working on the safety
Uh,
animations.
do you know what
Mm,
language your team coded the robot in?
yeah, they did it in Java. I
Okay, yeah,
attended
we
one
also do
software
Java.
workshop. Huh, I wonder why it's all in Java.
I don't
Mm,
know. I
it's
mean,
not like
I think it would be really funny if you coded a robot in Python.
the slowest robot ever. Hmm.
But yeah, my team's not very good because we're still rebuilding. Never fully rebuilt after COVID.
Oh no. All right. Well, I hope you all get it together. Hopefully.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Um, yeah, if there's not anything else, I think this is a good time to end the stream then.
Yep.
All right. Yeah. Thanks so much, Vivian, for coming and helping me study. I really appreciate it. Let's have a rematch, yeah, once you finish
Yeah, yeah,
APCS.
yeah. Yeah.
All right, yeah, everyone go check out Vivian. She does art and games, unlike me.
Maybe I'll do some coding streams now because this was fun.
Oh wow, someone just raided me and I'm just ending the stream. Sorry, guys.
No.
Should I raid to someone else? Who's even on right now? I'm totally just wasting this raid. Oh, frick. Okay, I have a friend called Brime. He's on. Sure, I will raid to Brime. All right, then, yeah.
No
Thank you to
crime.
everyone who came. You know Brime?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to figure out a time to do karaoke with.
Oh, yeah. He does a lot of karaoke stuff and
Yeah.
drawing streams too. I joined him for the dub stream. It was pretty fun. All right, let's figure out how to raid. We have.
Yeah, I can't help you much. I don't.
Brime. Yes, okay, found Brime. Okay, waiting in 10 seconds. Okay, yeah, thanks for everybody for coming. I appreciate it. Thank you, Vivian, for
Yeah.
coming too.
Thank you for inviting
Mm,
me.
yeah, have a nice day. Bye.
You too. Bye.
Mm.